Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. On daily chart 17,800 is acting as a support level and Nifty has also broken trendline. A 15-minute candle closing below 17,800 can trigger selling pressure. On smaller time frame, a downward trend line is formed, so for intraday 17,900 zone seems to be resistance level. Any candle closing above this level and sustaining trend line breakout can see good intraday upside momentum. On daily chart, Bank Nifty is trading near trend line. On smaller time frame, downward sloping steep trend line breakout is seen, can use this to go long with stop loss below 4100. Any candle closing below 41,900 level can see sharp selling towards 41600. Stock is lower low and lower high formation, which indicates short-term downtrend. Can short below 381 with stop loss of 2 points. Stock has given trend line breakout. Can go long with stop loss of 15 to 18 points. Stock has broken immediate support level. Can short below 985 with stop loss of 6 to 7 points. Stock is trading near previous breakout level. If breaks down, can short below 726 with stop loss of 4 to 5 points. Twist a bottom formation on hourly chart after sharp selling. If cross 3,220 can go long with stop loss below 3,200, and if breaks 3,200 can short with stop loss of 16 to 18 points on selling side momentum. After continues selling, sharp buying with higher high and high low formation seen. Can go long with stop loss of 15 points. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.